In 2009, we undertook this journey to provide continuous improvement to our national delivery fleet. Our strategic intent is to ensure we are a safe, healthy, productive and sustainable business, along with continuing to be a supplier of choice for our customers. In 2009, we connected our heavy vehicle operators with our operational safety team. The intent was to develop a strategy to reduce our risk profile around high frequency activities. The objective of the group was to improve our safety performance through understanding and innovation. The pre-trip inspection process happens approximately 700 times per day within our business. Areas that were easily identified as being high risk activities by the driver was raising and lowering of bull bars where fitted, lifting and lowering of bonnets, the checking and adjusting of fluid levels within the engine compartment. We mandated lift assist componentry to improve ergonomics for our drivers and maintenance staff. As part of the daily pre-trip inspection, drivers were required to access the engine bay for fluid checks and adjustments. Identified risk areas were working at heights, slips, trips and falls, and high temp, high pressure cooling system exposure for the driver. All checks and adjustments are now performed at ground level by using transparent sight glasses, dry brake couplings and mobile service trolleys. The group identified there are up to 7 complete entry and egress cycles per customer delivery, with the majority of these being performed in customer sites or other uncontrolled environments. Traditional two-step access and egress was found to be ergonomically challenging by our drivers, preventing smooth and safe entry and exit from the vehicle cabin. A full access revision was undertaken to design and simplify a full solution that promotes a smooth and safe transition, enabling an absolute 3 points of contact for our operators. Traditional methods required our operator to access the cabin for PDO operation. This activity compounded the number of entry and egress cycles the driver performed daily. Through technology and innovation, we developed and delivered the ability for our operator to control this critical function entirely external of the vehicle's cabin. Some in-cab technology advancements that have been made throughout our journey are positive connect fifth wheel warning indicators, adaptive cruise control, fully adjustable steering columns, collision avoidance technology, tanker control improvements were identified to counteract high-risk activities such as burn risk, repetitive manual tasks, working at heights, slips, trips and falls top of tank, and awkward ergonomics. Manual hatch operation required the operator to access top of tank to unlatch the cam levers. This involved ergonomically challenging postures along with repetitive manual tasks while working at heights. Auto hatch installation is now a standard specification at Cement Australia. This allows our operators to open and close the hatch at ground level, removing the requirement to access top of tank by the operator, also removing our operators away from the line of fire. Other vehicle advancements that have been made throughout the journey are EBS braking systems with roll stability, electronic smartboard installed for axle group weighing, disc brake wheel ends for high temp, high performance braking along with auto adjust capabilities. Side underarm protection for pedestrian and small vehicle collision prevention. Compact operator work area. Improved external lighting for after hours deliveries. External PDO control allowing PDO operation external of cab. Our journey, although it feels it has just started, has delivered change and improvement of our safety performance through collaboration and innovation across Cement Australia's distribution function.